Welcome back to our
Use the right lane to take a slight right turn to merge onto CA 91 West.
After 3.5 months, we haven't uploaded anything. So today's our trip. We're gonna go to a Paul's Place restaurant, and then we're gonna go walk at the Eldorado Park.
Grab some food, and then we're going to the park for hiking. Saturday afternoon, and I just got off from work, and then we're going for
Stay in the middle 4 lanes.
See you in a bit.
Paul's Place. We're gonna eat first. Woo! So ito na nga guys, yung in-order natin, omelette. And then for Jake, omelet with french fries. I think this is Greek. And then for her, it's a French toast combo. Wow! So, hope you guys like it. We're gonna dig in and enjoy this. Let's go. Let's eat. So guys, we're almost here at Eldorado Park. We're gonna do a little walking. So it's gonna be like, I don't know how many miles are in there. Alright, Jake.
What's up, guys? Welcome back.
Make a lap here. So that's the other part of Eldorado Park. Look at it. See? Eldorado Park. Here. Let's just walk here first. Left side. Eldorado Nature Center. There we go. Yeah, guys. Let's just enjoy this. I know we haven't been here for so long. So we're gonna go for a little walk here.
So many cars.
Yeah, we gotta go look for a parking lot. Parking space. I'll see you guys in a bit. What's up, guys? So we're here at Eldorado Park. We just got here. So we're gonna go for a walk.
So we just got here, guys, at Eldorado Park.
I've been here before.
We just got here, guys, at Eldorado Park. It's a big park, so we just
Gonna explore it. Go for a little walk.
Oh yeah, guys, and also cool fact, I've been here before in my field trip in 2nd grade.
Okay. So let's go, guys.
In 2nd grade.
walk with us.
Let's go. It's gonna be a little fun walk here.
Drinking my coffee.
I
I'm still
shot
not
my
done
water.
with my coffee because I'm a bit sleepy.
So guys, here we go. There's the Eldorado Nature Park. This is a start.
Paunahin mo kaya sila?
here. Good, yeah. Comes another bridge. Oh, look at the turtle, guys. Turtle. Turtle. Look. That side too, guys. Very nice. You see it? Where do the turtles go during winter? They eat in the winter. Alright, which way? Hop mile? Oh, let's go hop mile. Yeah, here. So here's the Eldorado Nature Center trails, guys. These are the rules, so you gotta read it. Let's go. Oh yeah. Did you guys saw that spot?
They could be camouflaged right now. They could be anywhere right here or right next to us in the top that we can't see.
Yeah. True. I agree.
It's spooky, so
Yeah.
you know.
If you look, I will catch and I'll be waiting.
Wow!
Time after time. Maganda pati yung weather, guys, kasi sunny but not that hot. Not that cold. So time for hiking. It's a long hike, guys. din maganda pa. Palating makakaba yung ganito. Yeah, parang ganito. So I think we're going up. Oh, ito naman ah.
Welcome back to our channel. I'm just showing my dad's walking right now. We're hiking. Kind of cool so far and spooky at the same time. Let me try to touch. Want me to try? Here, show me. Card it. Hold this.
Dude.
Hey, Dad.
Alright, going down again. Oh, guys, a squirrel right there.
Zoom in.
Where is he?
Over there, behind the tree. You see the acorn.
It's right there.
Move it a little bit. There you go.
What's up, squirrel?
Oh,
You a little hungry, huh? No fishing, no food, no bikes.
oh, look, delicious. Oh, that's fast.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see.
Let's go another.
We can go there. I just I'm not sure how we missed it all the way back.
How are we going? 1 mile, 2 miles? Let's go 2 miles. Yeah, alright. We also go here.
Hello guys, welcome back. We're very high up right now. Whew. I'm tired.
Tired? On our way to the exit.
Oh, exit that way.
This way, this way.
No, exit this way.
We always exit over here.
Huh?
You want to use the restroom?
No. Mom, that exit is that way.
Yeah, this way too.
Huh?
This way too.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay. If we're lost, then we have to go back.
Yep.
And
What's up, Jake? It's been like, I don't know how many miles. We'll figure out later. It's been a long trip.
Side, but the exit was then the other way. Sorry, guys. I thought.
Sheesh.
My legs is tired already. I don't know how many miles we've been walking.
And then how we're gonna go back home, go back down. Or we're going very high up and now to the exit. We could just be going to the other way. We're probably going to the exit right now. Woo. That's a long walk.
It's a long walk, guys.
Rizal to what?
That's a long walk, guys.
Very long walk.
Manila?
That was a very long walk. Very long walk.
Morong.
From Morong to what?
Very long walk, guys.
Like Manila.
Philippines?
Rest time after a long walk. About you, baby.
NBA 2K22. Grinding on my NBA 2K22.
The shoes is dirty now.
I'm very bad. If you just play NBA 2K and you're watching right now for 22, I'm level 3 and my overall is 60. My overall is 60 on my part on NBA 2K22. Dad. But LeBron's overall in 2019 was 99 overall.
Oh, yeah.
Huh? Have you seen the house of highlights?
There's another side of the Eldorado Park on that side, guys.
Yeah.
So there's like activities on that side too.
So we just walk from only one side, and there's another big side over there that we haven't crossed yet.
So probably on our next vlog, we're gonna go on that side and we're gonna take you guys there and hope you guys like it. You know,
Yeah.
hope you guys will enjoy. So guys, I guess that's pretty much it. We'll see you on our next vlog. See you next time.
I'm
Bye.
level 4 on NBA
Later.
2K22. Bye, guys.
Bye. Later.